Well, some new numbers show COVID-19 is hitting minorities in the South Bay harder than any other group here in San Diego. ABC 10 News reporter Jared Aarons taking an in-depth look at this data and what doctors and minority advocates are saying about it.
This is a heat map of San Diego's coronavirus cases broken down by zip code. And you can see these 5 in the South Bay from San Ysidro and Imperial Beach up through Chula Vista and National City have the highest number of cases in the entire county. In fact, this one, San Ysidro, has the highest case rate in San Diego, with 1 out of every 14 people testing positive. Doctors in the South Bay worry numbers like these could overwhelm the system.
What it looks like is more people coming into our clinics.
As the research manager at San Ysidro Health, Adriana Burse has been at ground zero for the worst COVID concentration in the county.
When cases rise, it's not only people's health that gets affected, it's also other aspects of their lives, like their job situation, their family situation.
Burse and her team serve the South Bay, where these 5 zip codes account for 13,248 coronavirus cases, more than 21% of all COVID cases in San Diego County. It's taking a disproportionate toll on the minority community.
Our Latino community, especially our more impoverished Latino community, who might be people who are working essential jobs, people who may live in multi-generational households, and also people who may not necessarily have as much access to other resources as other people in the community might have.
That includes less access to quality health care, food assistance, and financial assistance. It's leading to more cases and more deaths. 50% of San Diego's COVID deaths are among Hispanic or Latino people, who make up just 34% of the county's total population.
It's definitely worrisome.
At Sharp Chula Vista, the ICU in their brand new tower is 85% full. 38% of those patients are either COVID positive or under investigation for COVID. ER Dr. Karar Ali says it's overwhelming to think about what could happen in the next few months.
If the prediction is that this is going to be, again, another, second, third, fourth wave disaster, I don't know if anyone's going to be prepared.
But they are finding solutions. Dr. Ali put on a mask during our Zoom interview to show how important it and social distancing are. Burse says San Ysidro Health has several outreach, discount, and educational programs, including one called Testing with Care, where everyone who gets a COVID test also gets a free telehealth visit with a doctor.
So that we can help walk the person through all these follow-up items that are needed and their follow-up care after they might get a positive test.
Doctors are also stressing the importance of flu shots for this coming winter. That way, they don't have to deal with a double pandemic. They can focus on bringing these numbers down while bringing everyone else's health back up. Jared Aarons, ABC 10 News.